Hey guys, Coach Kirkshanta here. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, this is going to be an Infinity Processing System review. We're going to talk about this $300 a day blueprint on social media, and this is going to be a tutorial on how to get started with Infinity Processing System and to make money online fast. So let's get right into it. Let's talk about this work from home system called Infinity Processing System. So if you have not joined the Infinity Processing System, then this is for you so that you can understand how to get started, okay? So this is the sales page for an Infinity Processing System. I'm going to talk about what you need to do to get started. So one of the first things that you want to do is you want to come to the page. If you check out beneath this video, there will be the information to learn how you can get started with Infinity Processing System, and you can review all the information there. But I want to talk about how you get started. The first step is for you to come over here and to review these packages and to select what package you want to get started with. Okay, each one of these packages is a digital marketing training product that's going to show you how to grow and brand yourself on social media and therefore get to the money. Okay, most people will come in at the pro level. It allows you, it's a $300 one time for you to spend, and then once you have invested that, you now have a business. You can earn $300 commissions, $150 and $50 commissions, and then you have a one-time website fee of $17, and that's it. That's all your total investment to get started. All right, now there's an elite level, $150 is $17 admin fee, and the starter level $50 and $17 admin fee. Now, one thing that I want to tell you is, you definitely, in order for you to receive these types of commissions, you have to be qualified at that commission level. So I just want to point that out. If you decide later on that you want to upgrade and you're at a lower level, you will have to pay the full amount for the level that you want to upgrade in. So I hope that makes sense. Now, with each one of these packages, review the training that you get. Each one of these is a training set of digital marketing training that you get. And you can review all the details there. It gives you all the training that you get with each one of these packages. So definitely review that. Once you select your packages, what package you want, you're going to go ahead and you can pay 3 different ways. You can pay via Stripe, Cash App, and Zelle. Okay, so that's one thing to know. Step number 2 is you're going to go over to your email once you've joined, and you're going to check your email for a welcome email. In that welcome email will have your membership area login. Okay, so you will get access to a membership area based on the product that you selected. So if you selected the 300, you'll have a separate membership area. If you selected the 150, you'll have a separate membership area. And if you're 50, that will be delivered to your email address that you signed up with. So make sure that you check your email within 24 hours. Now, I want to point this out. It's not going to be instant. You're not going to get that email instantly, right? You will get that email within 24 hours. So be patient with that because it's member to member and it's not an automatic that you get that email delivered, but it will be sent to you within 24 hours. Okay. Now, in that welcome email, you're going to get your login information so that you know how to log into your membership area, which I'll log in a second and show you what the inside looks like. And you're also going to get, hold on one second. Okay, so once you're in your membership area, you will have everything that you need to know to not only get set up, get your website set up, but also all your marketing information based on the package you picked will be in your membership area. Okay, now the next thing that you want to do, step number 3, is you want to set up your website. Okay, well, actually I would join these groups here. So join these groups, and then once you've joined the groups, then the next step is you want to create your website. All the directions are here in the membership area. It tells exactly what you need to do to get your website set up for that $17. They're going to set your website up for you. And one of the important things is however you paid, whether it was Zelle, go back over here, whether it was Stripe, Cash App, or Zelle, you will need to your receipt, or you can screenshot that you paid or whatever it is, your receipt, you will need to submit that with, just follow these details here because this is how you're going to order your website. Okay, they will ask for a receipt that you paid, right? So, no game in the system. Only people who are in IPS are people who paid. Okay, so that's pretty much that. That's step number 3. And then after you've done that, one thing that I want you to do, this is just for my people, is to reach out to me for your exclusive bonuses. If you join me at the either the elite or the pro level, there are some bonuses, some added bonuses that I give to help, you know, shortcut your success, or I'll say fast track your success in the online space. And these are based on Facebook. So you'll get access to what is called, at the $300 level, you'll get access to what is called Facebook Traffic Pro. You also get access to that at the 150 level as well. You'll get access to Facebook Traffic Pro. It's my training on how to use Facebook to accelerate your growth on Facebook. So you'll get that in addition to supplement all the great training that's in the IPS system. All right, my $300 members will also get access to an exclusive Facebook group where they'll be able to ask me questions and get a little bit more support. And I also give lots of like value in there as well, tips, things like that. So you'll get access to that, and you will also at the $300 level get access to my daily routine for success in the online space. All right, so after you've done that, your last step, step number, I think that's 5, is to actually come back here in your back office and start learning these strategies. My best advice is to take, you know, I would say 30 minutes a day, and to actually commit to sitting down and learning these strategies, and then take another 30 minutes and actually apply it. So if you're learning YouTube automation and you're watching a video, let's go over here. So you're watching a video on YouTube automation, or you're watching another one that says how to generate leads 24/7, and one of the steps in the video was to set up your YouTube channel. I want you to make that an actionable step. Your daily routine, go set up your YouTube channel. Whatever is teaching you in this video that you're watching for the day, you're going to implement that step. And that's how you move from just being in training paralysis, constant training mode, to action mode, and that's where the money comes, right? So that would be step number 5, is to learn and apply the strategies for daily consistency and success. Now these are the same strategies that our members are using, and they're getting success. We have Daryl here. He said another 150 payment just came in. That's a total of 950 in 40 hours. The day isn't over. So he's having success. James said it's a game changer. Keep winning. I agree. You know, and this is a simple platform, right? So there's definitely success stories. Another person said had a $1,200 day. So, you know, that's pretty cool. So people are having success with this. They're learning the strategies. Daryl said, got my first pro sale today. Okay, good. Yeah. So congrats to Daryl. So Christina got a 300. So there's people in here, they're having wins with this system. Okay, Diana got a $300 sale, and she says she started yesterday. That's pretty awesome. So anyways, that said, I just wanted to show a little bit of proof that this system definitely works. And again, it's from them coming back here, learning these strategies and applying it within their own business. All right, that's it. And you can earn $300, $150, and $50 commissions for just learning and applying. All right, so that's it. I will see you in the next video. Smash the subscribe button if you would like to get started and get access to my exclusive bonuses. Check out the link beneath this video. I look forward to welcoming you to IPS. Bye guys.